Alright, so if you like peanut butter, chocolate, bananas, I got a dessert for you and you're gonna love it. It's called peanut butter chocolate banana sandwiches, and we're gonna try to make that today. Alright, let's go. The ingredients you're gonna need today are chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet, milk chocolate, or dark chocolate. I'm using semi-sweet today. A banana, or two, depending on how big of a batch you wanna make. Organic coconut oil. A plate. Parchment paper, and a baking sheet. What you want to do first is open the banana, cut your banana in 1/2-inch pieces, like so, and make sure that you can make a few at a time. Kind of put them in pairs, like so. If you get an extra, you can pop them in your mouth. Now add 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips, 1/2 teaspoon of coconut oil. We're doing this in intervals so we don't burn our chocolate. Didn't ask for an assistant today, and apparently I have one. Alright, now that it's out, so we're just going to let it cool. You see that? That's a nice consistency. Get yourself a new clean knife. And I mix my peanut butter up like this. Just a small amount, something like that. Add the rest of the peanut butter, like this. Just a pinch. Like that. We got 3 made up so far. Now you'll roll one side of the chocolate banana together. Place it like that. They should look like that. We're gonna leave these in the freezer for 2 hours so they can freeze up and harden. You can put these in a Ziploc bag and just pop them in your mouth when you're ready. Ta-da! Thanks for watching.